can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000
Hold your breath,
to
it gets
see.
better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a
With new
surprise.
horizons
Every
to
moment red
pursue.
letter.
I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world. That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
Thrilling chase.
A wondrous place for you and me. Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear their hearts beat, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler, been most everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been. And the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. What a journey it has been.
For a long time we've been marching off to battle.
In a thundering herd, we feel a lot like cattle.
Like a pounding beat, our aching feet aren't easy to ignore.
Hey! Think of instead a girl worth fighting for.
Huh?
That's what I said, a girl worth fighting for. I want her paler than the moon, with eyes that shine like
My
stars.
girl will marvel at my strength, adore my battle scars.
I couldn't care less what she'll wear or what she looks like. It all depends on what she cooks like. Beef, pork, chicken.
Bet the local girls thought you were quite the charmer.
And I'll bet the ladies love a man in armor.
You can guess what we have missed the most since we went off to war.
What do we want?
A girl worth fighting for.
My girl will think I have no faults.
That I'm a major find.
How about a girl who's got a brain, who always speaks her mind?
My manly ways and turn of phrase are sure to thrill her.
He thinks he's such a lady killer.
Have a girl back home who's unlike any other.
Yeah, the only girl who'd love him is his mother.
But when we come home in victory, the line up at the door.
What do we want?
A girl worth fighting for.
Wish that I had.
A girl worth fighting for. A girl worth fighting.
Look at me. I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if Be still, my heart. Lately its mind is all its own. It would go far and wide just to be near you.
Even the stars shine a bit bright, I've noticed, when you're close to me.
Still it remains a mystery. Anyone who's seen us knows what's going on between us. It doesn't take a genius to read between the lines. And it's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming. I know what these are symptoms of. We could be in love. I ask myself why I sleep like a baby through the night. Maybe it helps to know you'll be there tomorrow.
Don't open my eyes, I'll wake from the spell I'm under. Makes me wonder how.
Tell me how I could live without you now. And what about the laughter, the happy ever after? Like voices of sweet angels calling out our names. And it's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming. I know what these are symptoms of. We could be in love. All my life I have dreamed of this, but I could not see your face. Don't ask why two such distant stars can fall right into place. Anyone who's seen us knows what's going on between us. It doesn't take a genius to read between the lines. Oh, and it's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming. I know what these are symptoms of. We could be in love. Oh, it doesn't take a genius to know what these are symptoms of. We could be. We could be. We could be in love. We could be in love.
This is what you give me to work with. Well, honey, I've seen worse. We're gonna turn this sow's ear into a silk purse. We'll have you washed and dried, trimmed and polished till you glow with pride. Trust my recipe for instant bride. You'll bring honor to us all. Wait and see when we're through. Boys will gladly go to war for you. With good
fast-paced, with good breeding and a tiny waist. You'll bring honor to us all. We all must serve our emperor who guards us from the wands. On that barbaric arms, or through my bearing sons. When we're through, you can feel like your nature's blossoms, like that veil, like the edges, how could sail, how could energies, they bring honor to us, bring honor to us all.
You're ready. Not yet. An apple for serenity, a pendant for balance, beads of jade for beauty. You must proudly show it. Now add a cricket just for luck, and even you can't blow it.
Ancestors, hear my plea. Help me not to make a fool of me, and to not uproot my family tree. Keep my father standing tall. Scarier than the Undertaker, we are needing our matchmaker. Destiny, guard our girls, deck our future as it fast unfurls. Please look kindly on these cultured pearls, each a perfect porcelain doll. Parehas ng perlas ng silangan, nagniningning sa buong kapuluan. Taglay ko ang hiwaga ng silangan, at saan mang bayan o lungsod, maging timog, hilaga at kanluran, ang Pilipino ay namumukod. Sama-sama nating abutin pinakamatayog na bituin, at ang aking tagumpay, tagumpay ng aking lahi, tagumpay ng aking lipi, ang tanging hinimithi at hinahangad. Hangad ko'y tagumpay natin lahat. Ako ay may isang munting pangarap sa ating dakilang lupain, at sa sama-sama nating pagsisikap, sama-sama ring mararating ang iba't ibang galaw, iisang patutunguhan. Dito isang araw, isang kapuluan, sama-sama nating abutin pinakamatayog na bituin, at ang aking tagumpay, tagumpay ng aking lahi, tagumpay ng aking lipi, ang tanging minimithi at hinahangad.